Harrison's asked, is it possible to use a bus bar or distribution block for the ECU 5-volt power and sensor ground for multiple wires? I mean, Harrison, technically, yes, that would work. It'd be a pretty clumsy and ugly way of doing it, but it would work. Personally, the technique that we demonstrated, just splicing, I don't really see any downside to doing that over using a bus bar. It's going to give you a much simpler and neater installation, and a neater installation, generally that simpler, is also going to end up being more reliable. So yeah, I can't see any upsides in doing it with a distribution block, sorry.
That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you're the type of guy who wants to expand your knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about performance engine building and EFI tuning, and you'll also have the chance to ask your own questions, which I'll be answering live. Remember, it's 100% free, so follow the link to claim your spot.